When it comes to sharing or acquiring rights to a registered trademark, a trademark licensing agreement is crucial. This agreement ensures that all key elements of the licensing arrangement are clearly defined, protecting both the brand owner and the licensee. From royalty calculations and payment schedules to infringement remedies and quality assurance protocols, a well-drafted agreement secures the integrity and optimal use of your trademark across industries. A well-structured trademark licensing agreement provides a comprehensive framework for brand collaborations, addressing essential elements like royalty distribution and usage terms. It ensures flexibility by incorporating customizable clauses to meet industry-specific needs. This agreement also includes provisions for potential infringements, fostering transparent, mutually beneficial partnerships. At JustSign, we make it easy to create and customize your trademark licensing agreement with our pre-built templates. Draft, review, and digitally sign agreements, all in one secure, accessible platform. With JustSign, you can download and customize comprehensive trademark licensing agreement templates. 2. Easily update and re-upload revised documents. 3. Collect secure digital signatures for hassle-free, legally compliant operations. Stay ahead of your trademark licensing requirements with JustSign's intuitive tools. Save time and effort while ensuring your agreements remain up-to-date and legally sound. Visit JustSign today and streamline your trademark licensing agreements. You can subscribe to our website, justsign.com.au, or you can call us on 02-9684-4199. Thanks for watching.